Hello friends, today I am going to make something new. Something different and delicious. Rinse the quails inside and out and pat them dry. First of all, I will have to marinate the quails. I used 300 grams of Mother's Recipe paste. The ingredients of this marinade paste are stated on the label of the glass jar. The Mother's Recipe paste is a secret family recipe that adds an extra layer of flavor to the quails. It is made with a variety of herbs and spices, and is slowly cooked until it is thick and flavorful. It is the best marinade paste to rub the quails with. If you are interested in knowing about content, I have noted its ingredients in the description down below. Now, as for the goat's ribcage, I rub it with some salt and black pepper only. Goat meat is a naturally mild-flavored meat, so it can be easily overpowered by strong spices. So, salt and black pepper are two of the most basic and versatile seasonings, and they can help to enhance the natural flavor of the meat without overpowering it. The marinated quails are ready to be stuffed inside the ribcage. The ribcage should have enough room to stack up to 20 quails inside. If you may have noticed, I did not cut off the flaps of meat below the ribcage, because I needed them to close the opening of the ribcage after the stuffing the quails inside. I have named them flaps because I don't know what they are called. If you have an idea, please leave me a comment below with the name. Once the quails are stacked up nicely, fold up the flaps together and insert a couple of wooden sticks. Don't put it upright, because the top will be burned sooner. Put on its either side in the cooking tray. Such a feast like this wouldn't be completed without adding some vegetables along with. The quantities of vegetables added depend on the size of the cooking tray. Sweet corn, tomatoes, carrots, onions, peeled potatoes, and of course, some jalapeno pepper as well. Baby eggplants are a delight to eat when roasted. And 3 garlic heads as well. I would appreciate it so much if you could subscribe to my channel. More interesting videos are still up to come soon. For a crispy roasting, pour some beers or sparkling water. The ribcage of goat doesn't have as much fat as the lamb, Cover properly with butter paper and aluminum foil. The olive logs had been burning for 2 hours. The oven temperature is almost 360 Celsius, equivalent to 680 Fahrenheit. The time now is 3:30 p.m. Cheers to everyone. After 5 hours, we checked. Wow, look at this. It looks so delicious.
قد شوي هيك الفرق اخذت لك ايوه ما شاء الله ما شاء الله بتجنن يا حبيبتي كثير كثير صار حلو كثير يسعد ربك يخليك يا رب وديري ان شاء الله ديري بالك على ابو حمام على المختار
The meat is tender and flavorful, with a hint of the sweetness of the quails that have been stuffed inside. The smell and the taste couldn't be described in words. The video is worth 1,000 words. I am speechless now.
شفت النكتة اللي بدك تتهالي؟ هذا منظر
مروان هاي لك مروان خذها وين صحنك
As you take a bite, you are greeted by the rich flavor of the goat meat, balanced by the sweetness of the quail. The spices add depth and complexity to it.
صافية
ليش ما تتوقع؟
لا
مش عارف ليش ما يتوقع دايما
لا زي هيك ما أول مرة
Thanks for watching. See you in my next interesting videos.